Paolo Avellino dumalo sa event ng kanilang endorsement ni Kim Chiu. Kim hindi nakapunta dahil sa kanyang bagong endorsement. Spotted sa alabang si Paolo Avellino, ito ay dahil sa launching ng bagong auto ng endorsement nila ni Kim Chiu na Hyundai Philippines. Hindi nga nasilayan si Kim sa naturang event ng Hyundai. Busy kasi ang aktres sa kanyang mga ibang endorsement, dagdag pa ang nalalapit na pagbubukas ng bahay ni Kuya, kung saan ay isa sa host si Kimi. Naiintindahan naman ng Kim Pao fans kung bakit hindi nagkasama ang dalawa. Anila ay sobrang busy lang talaga ni Kim at Paolo. Ngunit kapag free time naman ang Kim Pao ay bigla-bigla na lang sila nang gugulat, gaya na lamang noong nag-jogging sila. Samantala narito at panoorin natin ang naging ganap ni Paolo sa alabang.
US is rolling broadcasting of that every for country. US is rolling broadcasting of that every for country. Consistently raise the bar in design, performance, and management.
And Filipinos have come to know and love the new Hyundai Tucson, not only as a family car, but also as a fun, all-around SUV that can take you anywhere. I myself love the look and feel of driving the new Hyundai Tucson. That's why I'm also thrilled to see what the newest will transform itself and its products. So today we are here to witness the brand's commitment towards the tagline, progress with positive energy. And I want to introduce to everyone here and welcome the new Hyundai Tucson. Here it is.